Hi guys, it's Dr. Josh. Today I'm going to walk you through connecting your SmartMirror through your office Wi-Fi network. Let's start by connecting SmartMirror as a hotspot to your iPad. Go to Settings. You'll scan the QR code on the back of the mirror and press Join. SmartMirror is now connecting via hotspot. Our ultimate goal is to let the app connect to your office network. Go back to Settings, press Mirror Wi-Fi Setup, press Proceed, and there will be a list populated of all the available Wi-Fi networks. I'll choose my network, enter the password, and press Connect. The app is now connecting to your office network. One of the advantages of this connection method is that the next time you use SmartMirror, you won't have to scan the QR code again. It'll connect automatically. Another advantage is I can capture still images or videos and share them on any media service. I can send them by email or WhatsApp. In addition, I can share my screen via Zoom with another doctor. That's true teledentistry. Of course, you want to make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi signal and that there aren't too many devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. For more information on the connection options, check out our YouTube channel or see the link below. For SmartMirror, I'm Dr. Josh. Have a great day in your office.